Hey guys, down, Mabrika, welcome. Thank you for being here. Um, so today I've been working on this painting. Um, it's been hard though. I'm really tired today for some reason. My neck hurts. I'm just trying to push through, but I think I might soon go to sleep. Or rest so that tomorrow I could do more. Tomorrow though, I have a family friend that might come over because she's gonna teach me how to sew, so that'll be cool, and I'm excited for that. We'll see how that goes. Um, and yeah, I was working on the skin more. I'll show you guys in a second, but yeah, other than that, everything cool. Please send me some good energy, and I send you energy as well, but it's just like physical energy right now. I don't know what's wrong, but um yeah, I guess like not like I had to get used to painting again every day because lately I haven't been doing well in painting every day, or at least putting a pencil mark or line down on a sheet of paper like people suggest that you should do as an artist, just to keep that like flow going and creativity. But yeah, I'm kind of just getting back into that mode. So, and then next week I'm going to New York, um, and I'll show you guys, of course, you know, being there and stuff. Um, it would be cool to do like a art show there, but yeah, I don't know. I guess like we'll see. Oh, I don't know why. It's just I feel like maybe because I didn't go to art school, or I don't know. Like I feel like I know a lot of artists, but yeah, like I have not been in an actual formal exhibition, and that kind of scares me that I've been doing this for so long and I haven't been in an exhibition, um or like even a like even just a group exhibition, like an actual at an actual gallery thing. I haven't been invited to one. So um maybe yeah, it's just not consistency. They're not seeing my work because I don't post consistently, or me not reaching out. Could be different things, but I do have dreams of that, and I know one day I will be one. And it's not to say that, if you don't get into an exhibition or something like that, then you suck, or like you're not a real artist or something. It's just one goal of mine, especially this one museum here in Miami. I would love to be a part of their exhibition one day. I'm manifesting that I will. And in Jersey and New York too, it would be cool. Like that's where I grew up, and of course, that would probably be like where I would want to have my first one. So we'll see. I have been part of like, artist run exhibitions and stuff, and those are just as, you know, equally as important and special to me. But yeah, hopefully they're, I get because there's just it is important also for women, for people of color, to be invited into those higher places, because it shows, it sucks, but it shows like our importance. It's important to be up there also, like, so yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, let me know. I think also it's just like I need to find that art style, even though I feel like, I don't know, it's hard to just do that. But I feel like I am coming into it. So, need a specific art style, something that is going to be in your work all the time, like some sort of technique or some sort of symbol or color, certain colors that only, you know, that's what you notice are in all those artists that blow up. They all have that. Their technique, their it's like something that stands out, and they put it in multiple work. So you kind of like identify them with that. So yeah, that is what I'm been having trouble with. But yeah, I am doing like a symbol bank. It's like um basically writing down like things that I would want to incorporate in my work all the time. Whether that's symbols or animals or something like that. And looking up artists that I look up to, that I love their work, and I'm writing down like why do I like them, and hopefully that all will help me realize what my art technique or what my art style should be, at least for this moment. Like, gotta like play the game, you feel me? Even though it's just, you feel like you don't want to, but you want to follow, it is still following my heart, but it's strategically, because it's not like I still love this art style that I'm going to be doing. Um, and it's just what you have to do sometimes. So I'm going to love it regardless. It's not like I'm going to be doing something that I don't like. So I gotta do that. And hopefully that makes my art stand out more and be more noticed, more shared, um, and so that I can be more in community with people. That is the goal. So yes, thank you. Hope you enjoy. I might do a little time lapse now. I might in the morning. We'll see. But if not, thank you at home for being here and for sharing your energy. And yes, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you, and many blessings. Taino. Okay, so this is so far. I don't know why on the video it's looking blurry and it's also looking orange, but it does not look like that in person. Um, yeah, I don't like that either. But anyways, I'm working on like this area. It's kind of giving me a little bit of trouble. That's okay. Um, the arms are okay. And I did the hands, which hands always kind of like trip me off. But I think I did pretty okay with that one. Probably had to like fix this little line, but we'll see. Because I kind of don't want to focus on perfection anymore. Like, you get me? But nah, maybe I will. I just have to move that line like a little bit. Anyways, perfection in some parts. But yeah, this thing for cameras though and stuff because it allows me to see a better perspective. Like, I don't know, in person this looks kind of cool, but then in the camera, not really. So I don't know what to do. Anyways, yeah, this is so far. I think I already showed you guys that already. Yeah, I didn't do that well today with progress. I mean, with the skin, yeah, and the hands and all that, but we continue. Um, my neck hurts, but we shall go and live. We shall go and paint.